In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix disappearing messages here on Instagram if you do want them turned off. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up Instagram on your iPhone or Android and tap the messages icon up in the top right. From here, open up any chat. There's two methods to go ahead and do this. The first one is down at the bottom. You're going to see a prompt saying swipe up to turn on disappearing messages. Go ahead and do that. If vanish mode is already on, just go ahead and swipe up again and it's going to go ahead and turn it off just like so. The second method is by tapping on the person's name up at the top of the chat. From here, if you scroll down, you're going to see an option for disappearing messages. Go ahead and select that. And if it's set to once seen or 24 hours, just go ahead and switch this off. After making the change, I recommend closing Instagram and reopening it. If that still doesn't work, the fix is usually pretty simple. Update Instagram. Just go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and you'll see an update button. Go ahead and tap that, and then that refresh is usually going to clear any glitches with vanish mode. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.